Share this with the trader.
This is a crazy guy. CYCC, when I saw it's about $6, guys.
But to remember who you are when you're not reacting.
$6 right now,
And
20.
be ready to build this mindset into everything.
Right here. This is a good joint right here.
This is the place for height.
CYCC.
For depth. For the few. For the quiet killers. For the ones who trade the trader.
When it break right here, 20,
Because
you see the moon.
this game is never about the chart.
The last short right there, guy. Last short at
Now
20.
you're ready. I'll see you in the next level. Until then, stay invisible. Stay patient.
Last short
Stay
20.
dangerous.
Same with the SONN. SONN, I jump in right here. It's 8 this morning. Yesterday I jumped in 17. Today I jumped in 8:20 right here somewhere. Look at yesterday, guy. Is it all the way? Look, all the way to 22. Crazy, huh? Already now. 22. Right now only 9. Crazy, huh? If this one break right here, 10 can go to 11. Right here. Let's see here. Let's see, where is that? 90-80 resistant, guys. 980. 980 resistant. All right, let's mark 980. That's heavy resistance right there. CCC break 20, sweet guy. A power line break 20, this can go to $40. CCCC. CCC break 20. Let's see how high can it go. How high can it go, guy? Right, 100. Come on, no way, 100. Right. Break 20 right here. It hit the moving average, 30-day moving average right there. 20 right there, guy. It break 20, way easy. Come on, ball plus. I see the ball plus right there. Come on, volume. If this one have volume, couple of days, you can go crazy. It cannot break 20, huh? It's down right there. Allow short at 20, guys. Allow short 20. Allow short at 20. Crazy, yes? You love it? Hey, lazy, hello sir, CICC, short, no good, free, too high. No one short YMCC, just try it. Okay, I tell you the truth, if this one break 20, you can try it, break 20, you can long. If we break 20 right here, okay, 20, okay, 20, make it 22. You long above 22, you stop under 1895. Okay, at power lunch. You will see. If this one hold power lunch on the V-well or VBS setup, the V-well. Okay, right here, I tell you, 20, 22. 22, guys. Plan your trade, your plan, be patient. Right there. 22, long about 22. Stop under 1895. And you see the moon at power lunch. I don't know yet. If the market say it break 22, that's all, you know. It break 20, 22, that's all. This might be crazy. Not worth it. Okay, try 5 sale only, $100. Try $100 and see. You practice your good behave. That's the plan, guys. If this one break, all the way down to 12, okay? The VWAP right here, 12. So watch out. Let the market tell you what to do. Okay? Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay? No thinking, guys, no thinking. No thinking. Treat like a professional, guy. Treat like a professional. Right here. And watch the volume, okay? Watch the volume. This might be fun. Do or die, okay? Do or die, guy. I get in sick. I jump all the way to 10, 20, 10, and then 11, I'm out. And I look at it. Ooh, 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 ooh. And this one I got in right here, 820 this morning. Yesterday I got 18, small side at 18. Look at that, guy. Yesterday small side at 18. 17. I jumped in right here yesterday. Look at all the way small side, waiting. Look at all the way down. It's crazy. This one right here, resistance almost $10 or 980 right there. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, okay? Let's see what's going on. Excuse me. Right there, guy. Alright, let's see. 22, guy. It must be 22, not 20. Hey Ken, you professional. You short. You say you're 80% short successful. 80%. You are got 80%. Let's see how you do it. I follow you. It's up almost 400% right now. More flat right here, guys. More flat, short got squeeze. Short decline. All right, over here 15, buy a step in. Right here 15. If under 15, you need to get out all of them, okay? You stop under here, guys. And under 15, guys, you need to get out 15. It can run, it can down. It can go right, it can run, it can go down, okay? That's it, guys. It can run, it can go down. Right here, guys, 15.
SDM.
Okay, son. Keep going, son. Nice ball flat right here. I love ball flats. I like ball flats because I'm long. Somebody short don't like ball flats. Ken don't like ball flats, guys. Ken don't like ball flats. Ken professional shorter. Professional man. Ken is professional short. Okay. This one can squeeze, guys. Look at that, it can squeeze. $20 or $22? Is that power run? Yes. Power run in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, guys. That's a nice ball flat breakout right there. You try it. Try one share here. You jump in here, right here. Okay. Don't. When you know it, right? You worry. Say go too high, right? When you fear is good, right? Fear is good. Here, ball flat. Ball flat. You jump in right here. You stop right here, okay? Let's try it. Try 10 share, 5 share, 10 share only. You see right here, you jump right here. You stop here. You jump in right here, you stop down here. That's it. This one too, look right there. Like, you see this? It's the blow only 800,000 share, that's why. So be careful right there, cannot break right there. Look at guy, take 20, all down. Not break 20. 20, 22, trust me. No, don't trust me, trust the chart. Don't trust me, trust the chart. Trust the market, guy. Right here, 2022. gap down. Look at it. The jump, the short right there, right away, 20. I told you. The short at 20. Over here, you jump here, you sell here at 20, resistance, break 20, you get in back, it now, boom, done. Come on, this one right here, try the volume pick up, short squeeze, short got caught a little bit. This one uptrend right here. You see right here, look, resistance. You see, draw a line right there. Look at that, crazy guy. Look right here. Yeah, it touched right there, right? It touched right there, guy, crazy. It touched right there, guy, crazy. Look at that guy, 19. 19. Okay, if this one break right here, it pump to 22, it start to go back, and then when it's second break, you get in. Alright? If this one break down here, you get out. Done. That's it. Alright? Nothing to say. Let the market plan your trade, guys. Plan your trade. Okay? Before you get in, plan your trade. And waiting, guys, waiting, working. Waiting is work, guys, waiting. You wait, guys, you wait. You see, when I say 22, if you get in too early, that's your problem, guys. That's your problem. Come on, baby, squeeze. Almost $8.90, $10. Sun. Sun right there, guys. Sun right there. Right here, this morning, right here, I got in right here, 80, this is a good one. PLRZ, I got in 88. Look at here, guys, I got all the way to 125 right here. PLRZ this morning. And Sun right here, I got in 822, 820 right here. Crazy right there, crazy guy, crazy. BTCCS moving. This is a good one right here, guys, this morning. Oh man, I jumped right here, 80, 88 right here. I jump here, I sell all the way here. Guys, see? Right here, guys. Right here. PLEZ 88, 85, 83. Crazy. I buy the dip right here, guys, and sell all the way up there. 125. Crazy, huh? That's a good trade too. But I but I'm busy on I don't trade IMPC. Come on. Don't be greedy. If this one collapse here, I'm out. I tell you guys, right there, guys. A lot of ball flats. A lot of ball flats, guys. Wait the power lunch, see what happens. 890 to 10, right there. $8.90 to 10, guys. What going on? What going on, baby? Why no data? IMPP have a new. Who care? It's your stuff, not mine. It's your. You have 80%, but 20% you have one IMPP. You're done. Acquire 100 million Bitcoin. Look at here. Look right there, guys. Dumb right there, guys. Dumb. Let's see. Dumb and buy a step in, got squeezed. Classic. Dumb it. Dumb and then buy a step in. And squeeze at power lunch. Power lunch not come yet. Running, baby, running. You see, fitting, hold at 15, huh? Hold at 15, guys. Oh, you sell candle now? Looking, okay, I have candle. How many candle you want? Go to my eBay channel, you see candle in there. Or Amazon have a lot of candle, guys. This one, the ball flat still right there, huh? The ball flat right there. It's 10:41 right now, 11 o'clock is power lunch. It's about 20 more minutes, 19 more minutes, guys, power lunch. UNA have good news. Why you trading new, guy? Why you trading new? I don't listen to you, Ken. I listen to the market better. The market always right. Why I'm not listen to the market? You are fake news. Okay. Moreland is only 11 cents, almost 5 minutes. Oh, very crazy. Moreland is only 11 cents. Sun doing good. Come on, break it. Ball flat. Come on, 980. You're crazy, I'm more than only 11 cents, huh? Crazy. How can it happen, guy? How can it happen? Okay, check out Moreland. Okay, check out Moreland. Lulu, new low. This is a new low right here. Young new low. NYCC. Alright, check out Moreland. Alright. For example, Moreland. Moreland right here. Let's see daily chart. 100 day. What the heck? No candle, guys. No candle. Crazy Moreland. Look, boom, boom, all the way down. Right here, you jump here, you buy right here, you say so cheap. And you buy more right here, you add it down, you say I'm hopping. When you hop right there, coming up, you say when you go up here, you sell right here, right? And then that happens. Okay. And you say scare is good. Peer is good. Hop is very bad. That's the way to trade, guys. When you hop, the devil say keep hopping. You're holding. That's no good, guys. Alright, why we look at that junk? Why we look at this junk? Why not look at MCC? Why not look at this guy right here? Why look at the junk guy? Crazy, huh? Look here. Another ball plot right here and see what's going on. Ball plot guy. Watch out. Ken, tell me what are moving. Don't tell me the new. I don't care about the new, okay? Why the new? Who care about the new, okay? Who care about the new? Tell me which one moving. Not the new, okay? Keep the new with you. Keep your fake new. Alright? Keep your fake new. You are CNN. Ken, you are CNN, Ken? Or NBC. You're a Democrat, man. Democrat fake news. Are you Clinton? Democrat fake news, all day long fake news. They went to school for fake news. They are good. They go to Columbia, Harvard, become a lawyer. They work at the Neil, and they're very smart. They're not stupid, but they're good fake. They're good liar guys. Look like lawyers, so they're all lawyer. They think like a lawyer. They walk like a lawyer, and they lie like a lawyer. Lawyer. I don't read news, okay? I just check the Cadillac. What's going on, that's all. But I don't listen to news. I listen to the chart only, guy. No chart, no trade. No chart, no trade, guy. No chart, no trade. If they continue to go up, I hold. Just symbol like that. When it's out, you out. When you out, guys. When you in. Come on, power lunch. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, you guys watch out this one, okay? ANPA, okay? Watch out ANPA, okay? Watch out this one. ANPA, power line, guy. Watch out this one, alright? Watch out this. If this one break right here, this right now. Right there, right now. And watch out resistance right here, 660. Okay, it's 7. Watch out the volume. Plan your trade. Okay, and then right here, 490, get out. Right there, right now, guys. Right now. Right here. And right here, important right here. Be careful right here. Then we check right here and see whether or not. Alright. If this one power line, BBS setup, guys, BBS setup. BBS setup. A plus. BBS setup, guys. It break right there. 570, 575. Stop under at power lunch. At power lunch, guys. Power line right here. Volume look good. It needs to break right here. Right there, guys. That's crazy. Morning. Moon it, guys, moon it. This one is break right here, guys. Break the triangle right here. You see that? Even we check, need to break right here. Need to break right there. Come on, power lunch. All plan right there, guys. All the plan. Right here, the plan. Right here. And right here. You can get in small size. You stop underneath here. You have to know where you stop. Stop underneath 495. Right there, okay. Easy. Make it easier. Be careful, 570. Careful right here. Just be careful. Just be careful. Volume. Power lunch. ANPA, guys. ANPA. The symbol is ANPA. Let's try to recheck right there and see what happened. ANPA guy. ANPA. More plus. I love more plus. Like this one, I love more plus like this. Resistance $10. I love more plus. Volume pickup. Okay, 3, what you see, because my devil talking right now. I have to write out 3, what you see. Not what your devil think or you think. Okay? We can write a resistance right there. I see resistance at 10. It break 10, you keep it break 10, okay? It's not the devil, you are devil. You are devil, not the devil, guy. That's what you think. You did it. You had the finger, you had the eye, you're still doing it, guy. That's a line right there, and see. The devil talking to me right here, okay, selling. Okay, the devil say I'm selling. Don't you sell it? Sell it. Devil say. Pull back, ball plus. Another ball plus, a $10 ball plus. Look right here, break. $10 right here. See, nice ball flash. Nice ball flash. See right there? Nice ball flash. Okay. Open right here. This is a 5-minute chart right here. Okay. And the devil say, share right now. The devil says sharing. What are you going to do? Are you really Are you greedy? SONN. MNY. MNY. Look at this guy, look at this guy. The resistance right there, fall down, be in the ball flat to see what's going on. CYCC is trying to collapse. You need to get out right there. Okay, I sell some right here, guys. The devil win. I sell half or not 1/3, not half. 1/3, not half. The devil winning, guys. The devil winning. Right here. Sell some at $9.91. Make almost 90 cents. No? $1 something. Not bad, huh? Not bad, guy. Not bad. Come on. Look right there. He tried right there, guy. Look at it. He tried to come down. But I need to wait power learn to see what happened. I still have more than half. 1/3. That's crazy, guy. That's crazy. That's crazy. You can see $10. 10 look different, right? But Paula, you break 10, you see the moon. Hollow doing good, guy. Hollow. Hollow, guy. Hollow. Hollow, Rick new high. Power lunch. How high can it go? Right here. Resistance right here. 620. 640. 640 or $7. All the way up here, guys. Hollow, wake out. $6. This one here, CYCC, not break out yet. Want to go back down here, 13. Alright, this guy want to go here, break. Maybe you build a ball flat. And go all the way here, ball flat. Go here, maybe, and then start going down. That's I'm guessing. But I don't want guessing, guys. Guessing not good habit, okay? Forget about guessing. Stop it. Just listen to the market. Just listen to the market, guys. Hollow, come on. Break it, ball flat. Or you want to go down? Look like you want to go down. I wait power lunch. You break down here, maybe I'm out. Down here. Or break the ball flat at $10. You see $10 guys resistant? Resistant work, guys. Anybody look at the same chart, so people do the same thing, not the farm. OMBX. People think the same thing, guys. OMBS. Sit here and relax, guys. Sit here and relax. Sit here and relax. All right, listen to psychology, guys. I'm watching psychology. How to trade. How to trade, guys. How to trade. I learn every day, guys. I'm still learning my psychology. Don't talk to the devil. It makes sense? Maybe testing the VWAP, CYCC, yeah, maybe $12.
There is a moment every trader hears, a moment so quiet you almost don't notice it. It doesn't shout, it whispers. Fuck it, just go. And logic dies. The plan you spent weeks perfecting, gone. You're no longer a trader. You're a gambler with a keyboard, a soldier.
You're a gambler with a keyboard.
This isn't just a story about losing money. It's about losing yourself.
Look right here, guys. This one, try right there.
That moment coming. What if you could stop it before it takes over? This video will show you how. Because once you master the moment, you don't just survive the market, you command it. Robert was not your average man. He didn't stumble into trading. He didn't follow hype or chase headlines.
Come on, look here. 995 done with.
Senior manager at a top consulting firm, someone who understood the art of them. He had a mind for systems, for logic, for process. He didn't trade because it was exciting. He traded because he believed in precision, in data, in edges that could be measured and exploited. And for 4 straight days, Robert was unstoppable. 12 trades, 10 winners, each one executed with surgical control. His chart setups were clean, his risk management flawless, and with every tick in the right direction, he felt it. That rush.
Look here, they're fighting right here, guys. Fighting at $10.
It's not the kind of overconfidence that blinds you.
Or I say 980.
Crack the code. You belong here. His hands were steady, his breathing calm. He wasn't just winning, he was performing. Like an elite athlete, like a concert pianist, in perfect flow. And then came Friday. It didn't begin with a crash, no panic, no chaos, just a whisper. A simple accidental press of a hotkey, a misclick, a slip. They placed him into a position he never meant to end. Small, harmless, a minor
Okay.
one click to fix it.
How come everyone has different devil? My stupid devil and Mr. Lam have the smart devil. No, oh look at that guy. I told you $10. Look at guys, see.
A tightness in the chest, a flash of heat behind the eyes, panic.
That's crazy, guy. See, break 10. Very hard to break 10. When I break 10, crazy, guy.
Let's go. In that moment, Robert, the calm strategist, the meticulous planner, ceased to exist. A version of him built entirely from emotion, rage, frustration, revenge. He started clicking, fast, wild, irrational. He wasn't analyzing setups. He wasn't managing risk. He was swinging at the market as if it had personally insulted him. Stocks
Hey, Paulin right now.
filled his screen. His rules, written so carefully, were shredded like paper in a storm. He doubled down on losers. He ignored stop losses. He watched green candles like lifeboats and chased them into the abyss. He was no longer trading.
What I say, guy, look at here.
He was at war.
Look at the hollow. Look at that.
He built 4 days of discipline.
Huh? Hollow, guy.
Was gone. Burned. Erased in a blaze of panic fuel.
Look at hollow.
He sat back, dazed. The screen still glowed red. His P&L now a graveyard. And for the first time
Come on, break it.
market, he was ashamed. Because
Let's go short squeeze right there, $10. Look at the volume, guy. 100,000 here right there.
Else to blame. Not the chart. Not
The market say it look good.
Just that.
You have to keep. You buying, not selling right here, guy.
Everything inside him screamed.
Learn how to buy right here, not selling.
And it did.
Okay?
See, Robert's story isn't rare.
You buy right there, you don't get out right
In
here.
fact, it might be the most common story in all of trading. Because this game, this beautiful, brutal game, is not about who's the smartest. It's about who's in control.
Ken, you like it?
It doesn't come from strategy. It comes from psychology.
You at A. I don't need you at AR.
Face of uncertainty.
I need sound right now. SONN.
The truth is, most traders don't blow up because
And
of
hollow.
system. They blow up because of that moment, that split second. when
You don't need to jump all over, guy. Hollow. Look at
fear,
hollow.
Ego, or desperation.
You see, you jump right here, $6.
The pilot inside them ejects,
Okay.
and the passenger takes over. And unless you learn how to recognize that moment,
You jump at 6.
to guard against
Right here, A
you
plus.
live Robert's fall.
You wrong, you get out 5.99.
Maybe it won't be today. Maybe
Right here,
next.
this line right here, guys. Get out right
The
here.
market will whisper. And when it
You
does,
buy right here.
you'll either listen or rise above it. It isn't a bet.
This go to
It's a bet
640.
reaction. And it starts here with Robert's fall. Because if you understand why he broke, then you can begin to understand how not to. It begins so quietly.
Look right here,
Small,
640,
dim,
guy.
A red candle. Nothing serious.
Nothing
You're in a
serious.
trade, maybe a little early, but you've seen this chart 100 times.
Right
It's
there,
just
guy.
going back.
Perfect.
You remind yourself, stick to the plan. But then it keeps dropping.
You like
A
it?
little more.
From 1 to 10. If you like it, you put down 10.
Stop losses.
If you don't like,
Instead of exiting,
I have not even one like, guy. Fuck,
It's
jeez.
not a loss. It's
You guys so top.
You've heard this voice.
Not one like.
And it makes so much sense in the moment. If I just
Crazy.
add more here, my average price improves. I can still.
Not even one like.
You hit the button.
In 5 minutes, no like, I'm out.
The risk multiplies, but you feel smarter.
No like, guys, so I'm out.
This isn't gambling. This is logic. At least that's what you tell yourself. And that is the lie. The most dangerous lie in trading. Because averaging down on a losing position doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels like a solution.
Not even one like.
But in reality, it's the emotional reflex of a trader who can't let go. A trader who's more focused on being right than doing right. A trader who's been seduced by the demon doesn't wear a mask of greed or fear. It wears the mask of intelligence. It disguises itself as smart capital management. But make no mistake, this is not a strategy. It's a gamble dressed in a lab than any technical indicator ever created. Let me tell you a story. Matt was a brilliant trader. He had conviction, and he spotted something he believed was pure gold, a tech stock trading at levels that defied reality. He shorted it. The price spiked. He doubled down. It spiked again. The market's direction. It just kept climbing. Fast.
Look at ball flat. How many ball flat this one?
Tapped out. He lost 25% of his account on one trade, one decision, one refusal to accept that he was wrong.
Yep.
Now, here's the part that's
look here, easy, right? When I draw the chart, easy, right?
He didn't lose because he was stupid. He lost because he refused to surrender his ego.
Right.
He couldn't admit defeat. So
this one down here.
Let's talk about Amaranth Advisors. One of the largest hedge fund collapses in
No
history.
good?
Over $9
No light there?
billion under management. A team of Ivy League analysts.
Alright.
They died the same death.
Oh.
Traders made a massive bet on natural. So what did
No
he do?
light, man. You don't like it, huh?
He kept adding until the loss was no longer manageable, until it became catastrophic. The final damage? $6.6 billion gone.
Look at that guy,
In a matter
nice.
of days.
Hollow, I saw you guy hollow. Look at the volume.
Just like it takes out everyday traders.
Look at the volume guy.
Because no amount of
Straight up.
intelligence can save you from a decision rooted in denial. Let's be crystal clear. Strategically adding to a winning position with
Headlight.
rules, structure, and stops.
Let me
that's
see me
professional.
myself one light
Adding to a
too.
trade because it should come back. That's hope. And hope is not a strategy. Hope is a drug.
Yep, probably the drug.
That says you can still win this, even when the odds are crumbling.
The guy said drug,
So why
hop
do
in
we
the
do it?
drug.
Because we are hardwired to avoid loss. Not just financially, but psychologically. The pain of closing a red trade feels like admitting we were wrong. It feels like failure.
That makes sense,
Shame.
guy.
Ego death.
That's what
So
they say.
we avoid that pain by pretending it's not real. We
Yep.
buy more. We improve our average. We turn a $100 loss into $500, then
Yep.
into $1,000. Until the loss
That's what he
becomes
say right
severe,
there, guy.
We have no choice but to
The
face it.
good devil
By
say.
then, it's no longer about money. It's about survival. Here's the truth that separates professionals from gamblers. Professionals know that a small loss is part of the business. They take it, learn from it, move on. Gamblers, they average down because they can't stomach being wrong. They would rather risk destruction than admit defeat. But in trading, it's a cost.
Crazy line right there, guy.
It doesn't just take your capital. It takes your clarity, your discipline, your confidence. And once those are gone, you're not a trader anymore. You're just a person with a mouse, right? So if you find yourself tempted, if you hear that voice whispering, just one more entry and you'll be okay, stop, breathe, ask yourself, am I trading a plan or am I trying to fix a mistake? Is this a strategy or a reaction? And most importantly, if this trade goes to zero, am I still okay? Because if the answer is no, you
No.
shouldn't be in the trade at all. Averaging down is not about intelligence, it's about identity. It's about whether you define success by the outcome or by your ability to follow your rules. Let the loss be a lesson, not a legacy. And remember, the smartest thing you can do as a trader is to know when to stop. It starts as a whisper. A chart spikes, a stock explodes, your phone buzzes, plus 350% in 2 hours. You see rocket emojis flooding your feed, screenshots of unreal games. People you've never heard of just turned $1,000 into $10,000. And you're still on the sidelines, watching, waiting, hesitating. That whisper grows louder. You're missing it. They're getting rich. What are you doing? Your pulse quickens. Your eyes dart from candle to candle. And after you start typing maybe just a small position, and before you realize it, you click buy. Not because it was in your plan, not because the setup was clear, but because you couldn't stand being left behind. That's FOMO. Fear of missing out. It doesn't feel like fear though. It feels like urgency, like you're on the edge of something massive. And if you don't act now, you'll regret it forever. But here's the truth. FOMO is not opportunity. It's emotional hijacking. And if you don't learn to see it for what it is, it will rip your account apart, one impulsive trade at a time. Let me tell you about Peter. Peter was a disciplined trader. Careful, patient, structured, until 2017. Crypto was going wild, Bitcoin breaking records, altcoins launching into the stratosphere. Everyone was making money, fast. Peter couldn't resist. He jumped in. At first it worked. He caught a few breakouts, made $70,000 in profits in just weeks. He felt untouchable. But that feeling That invincibility, that was the first crack. He stopped following his rules. His risk management became an afterthought. His strategy, forgotten. He was no longer executing a system. He was chasing stories, every rumor, every pump, every pop. And then the market turned, as it always does. Within 48 hours, he lost over $50,000. Not because he didn't know how to trade, but because he let FOMO trade for him.
FOMO trade for him.
You think. It demands you react. It tells you this is your one shot, that this is the moment you've been waiting for. That if you don't act now, you'll miss the boat forever. But here's what it doesn't tell you. That every once-in-a-lifetime move will come again and again. That buying late into hype is the same as handing your money to someone who bought early. That the trade you're chasing probably already made its move. And now it's looking for someone to dump on. And if you're entering without a plan, that someone is you. So how do you kill FOMO? You don't fight it with willpower. You outsmart it with a simple 3-part checklist. Do I have a precise entry point based on my system? Do I have a clear, realistic profit target? Do I have a non-negotiable stop loss in place? If you can't answer all 3 immediately and with confidence, you have no business placing that trade. Because an opportunity without structure isn't an opportunity, it's a liability. See, FOMO doesn't live in the market, it lives in you. In that voice that says, I don't want to be left behind. In that story you tell yourself, if I miss this one, I'll never make it. But let's break that down. How many trades have you chased only to see them crash minutes after you entered? How many wins have you missed because you were stuck in a position you never should have taken? And how much emotional capital have you burned?
I don't like it, I get out right here.
With strangers on the internet? Here's a truth few will tell you. Missing a trade is not a loss. Chasing one that isn't in your plan, that's the real loss. Professional traders miss good trades all the time. They don't care. Because they know
I have small side right now, that's it.
Destroy your discipline chasing noise, your edge will never come back.
I suppose you see, I try to share right here is collapse right there.
It's 2. You'll take profits too early because this might be the top.
Makes sense, huh?
Too long, because what if it keeps
going?
In both cases, you're not trading.
Take profit, guys.
You're trading your emotions. So what's the cure? Routine, preparation, clarity. Before every session, you decide what stocks are in play, what setups you're watching, what your rules are, what your mission is. Because when you have a plan, you don't chase, you wait, you stalk. You strike only when the market gives you exactly what you're looking for. No rush, no panic, no noise, just precision. The market rewards the patient, not the desperate. The discipline.
I see another half right here.
Brace has a microchip so it's not supposed to stay fresh for 50.
Crazy. I supposed to sell 10:30. When not take my, see, I put right here 10:30, 10:24, and not take it.
HODL in your stock trading app today. Investing in the trust may not be suitable for all investors. Investing involves significant risk as the value of the prospectus.
See, I try to sell right here, 10:30, and not take it. All right. So I have to sell another half at 10:03. 10:03, start to curl back up and see what's going on. Right here, 10:03. Get in right here, 8:23. That's all. I sell all. Okay. And then $9, I sell all. Okay, put the auto stop right there. Let's see what's going on. Okay, watch out. This one I'm done already. I still have 1/3. Let's watch out this guy right here. CYCC. CYCC. Powerland right now. This one try to curve back up. I still have some. Where is it, guy? This guy right there, support at 10. Right there, crazy, huh? This is a good candle right there. Boom. $10. Crazy. This one not yes. Waiting. Let's see how high can it go. How high can it go, guy? How high can it go? How high can it go? Look at ball flat. The trend not collapse, yes. This the bottom right here, guys. This one. This is a good bottom right here. All right, CYCC, try to move, power lunch. Look at that guy. Okay. Right there. You stop down here, okay? Look at that guy. He can run. You jump in here. 18 resistant. Alright. Break 20. 8 plus hit up. Volume pickup. Right now, exactly power lunch, 11:30. Right here, resistant right here, huh? You see that's the Dolce, the sale right there, guys. Right there. What the price right there? What the heck? Right here. All right, 1675 resistant. All right, this one not double. This one is not double top anymore. It's triple top. You say triple top, that means nothing. This become resistant, not become reversal right there. Okay. Once you see three times, they try 3 times right there. That's not the double top, not even triple top. That's called resistant. It tried 3 times, guys. All right. You see double top in reversal. You see 1, 2. In this one, you see collapsing, right? But this one 3rd time. That means short underwater, okay? Short try 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And right now, boom, 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 right here, triangle. Okay? Right now, triangle right there. If this one break here, it go higher, but watch out, 20. It break down here, out. It may be testing the VWAP, $12. Okay, maybe $12 right there. Let's see what's going on. Okay, and SONN collapsing right now. Try to collapse, see what's going on. Look, you see, it can jump, it can dump. It can jump and it can dump, guys. Look at that, dump right there. Good time to get in, right? Get out, right? Good time to get out right here too. I have small size. If this one curve back up to 10, I sell all. Very small size. Look at dump fast, guy. Look at this stuff can dump and jump. Yep, I sell some here. All of them already, almost all. I have only a couple small size left for watching for tomorrow. My average too low, that's why. $8, $8.20. I mean, average $8.20, so. Good, huh? Good trade, guys. Good trade. Look at right here. See? Sell, sell, sell. Right here, last one, small size, $9.51. Look at 50 cent difference, guy. Crazy. So you have to sell it, that's all. No question asked, guy. No question. Look at it right here. You see right here how many signals I say right there. If this one break right here, guys, see what happened. Let's see what's going on right there. Alright. And this one too. What this one I say? Okay. I sell here. I sell right here. Man, I supposed to sell right here. I know that. So I get out right here. And the small side right here. Let's see going on. Crazy. Look at here. Almost $1 right here, guys. Crazy. Let's start to curve back down right here. Crazy, crazy, crazy. You plan your trade, you see it, guys. You see here? Right here, I see it right there. Look, sell signal. Under here, sell signal. Under here, sell signal. Look at that. Whoa. Good technical, man. If you sell here, you're still happy because you know what's going on, that's all. You know what's going on. And power lens start to dump. Start to break. Look at here, head and shoulder right there, guy. Head and shoulder. Let's see what's going on. Just watching. Alright. Just watching, guy. Good. Professional short never J's. 10 light. I want my refund. No good. YMCC. So what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? send them out all right there, okay, right here. Look at the bear flat. You see right there, class it, huh? Crazy, go down more $1, guys. So just be careful. That's a good trade. You know what you're doing. That's a good trade, guys. Bull flat, bear flats, crazy. This is a good trade, guys. You know where to get out, where to get in. Boom, boom, boom. Trend line right here. Collapse the line, get out. Not complicated. Make sense? You see right here? You see a line? Touch right here. Touch right here. The line right here. When it break right here, get out. All the way out. See? That's the back side. That's the back side right there, guys. You go back to $9 maybe. That's crazy. That's a crazy candle right there. Alright, I don't think nothing moving. Alright, see you guys later. Done, guys. Bye bye.